Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can use toggle container element in WPBakery WordPress website. So let me log in into my demo website, and after that let me go in the dashboard in the plugin sections, and here you can see I have installed WPBakery page builder. You can get the plugin from the official website, and here you can see their active users. You can get it for $59, and here you can check the pricing packages. For a single site you can get for a regular package. Okay, then simply you can upload the plugin file here, select, and make sure that plugin file will be in zip format. Now let's go back to the pages and edit one of the page. You can directly go from here, edit with WPBakery page builder. Now scroll down and let's add a new row. Then search for toggle container. Here you can see this one. Now here you can see for the container settings. So let's add a color, for example this one. Then off color. Then position, so let's keep it on the top, and these are some spacing options. Then after that, this is for the section setting. Click here on the pencil icon, and here you can change, for example web design services. Then add some text here. Let me add text block, and here you can remove and add your own text. Then select yearly, and here we can change marketing services. So these are the section titles. Then click here plus and add something different. Let me select one of the image from the media library. You can easily upload file from here your laptop. Then set image, then save changes and preview. Now scroll down, and here you can see if we enable this, then here you can see now we can see an image. Then if we close here, and it shows some text here. So this is called toggle container. Final step is just update. Okay.